Telolet.
So this morning, wait, that doesn't feel right. So I just woke up. The world decided to go crazy over something. I knew this thing is going to be like a buzz, just a little buzz. But then I sleep and I woke up and the world decided to say, nope, that's not how we do it. I should do what I can do best, and this is my take on it. Happy watching. adalah usahanya Minyo untuk mengikuti tren Om Telolet Om. Okay. Yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of video, hit the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to also follow me on another social media under @minyo33. Alright then, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.